Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Spaylater for online purchases on Shopee. So first, you must have your Shopee application. Now you have to launch your Shopee application, and then here you have to go to Me tab at the bottom right corner. Tap on Spaylater under the My Wallet section and follow the prompts to activate Spaylater. So to activate, you need to provide your personal details, submit a valid government ID like driver's license or passport, and then complete the verification process. Once approved, take note it's not one-day approval. So ensure your Shopee account is verified and you have a good purchase history for faster approval. Now, step 2, you can now add items to your cart, browse Shopee and add items you want to buy, you want to purchase. Once you have selected your items, go to cart and review orders. So here, you're going to choose SPayLater as your payment method. So how are you going to do that? At the checkout page, select payment options. Choose SPayLater from the list of payment methods. Select your desired repayment term, for example, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or more. Confirm your choice and proceed to place order. So complete your purchase. After selecting SPayLater, confirm your order and wait for the payment to process. Shopify will notify you once your order is confirmed. Step 5, of course, you need to repay your SPayLater bill. Open the Shopify app and then go to SPayLater, check your outstanding balance, and then do the payment. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.